Hey guys, good morning. So today is Saturday and Muffin, he's so serious. Muffin and I have a very busy Saturday. So I'm actually going to be heading to Marshall's again because I forgot to add a few more things to the gift baskets I'll be creating. I also have to pick up some fabric from Joann Fabrics because I'm going to be Jessica Rabbit for Halloween, and I have a red dress of my own. However, I couldn't find any purple gloves. They're all sold out, I guess because of Halloween. So my friend, makeup artist and hairstylist Mona will be creating the gloves for me from scratch. So that, and then I also am going to my hair appointment with Kia at 4 p.m. I'm so excited. We're going ginger. Not sure if we're doing a wig or if we're dyeing my hair. Don't know yet. We'll see. And then I also have a wax appointment upstairs because Kia does have a waxer, a lash tech. It's lit. It's a whole beauty boutique there. I'll leave her link down below so you guys can go check her out and her Instagram. Super eventful day. Then, you know, I gotta come back home, get ready. I might go to Mona's to do my makeup because she's so bomb at being a makeup artist. So she may do my makeup. It depends because she's super busy and I'm sure she's booked as hell today because it's like the day before Halloween. And yeah, then later I'm gonna go meet with Rena and we're gonna go out, and I'm excited because I have not dressed up in so long for Halloween. Like, it's been years. It's probably been like 4 or 5 years. All right guys, so I'm currently in Joann Fabrics. It's a bit overwhelming. There's so many beautiful fabrics everywhere. So I'm probably gonna go ahead to the front and ask someone for help. And I'm here to look for like purple material for the gloves, but high key, I kind of wonder how much it would be to purchase like a whole bunch of red sparkly material to make the dress from scratch. Yeah, I wonder. Look. Found this one. What do you guys think? I have to call Mona. Hold on, guys. Mona. This is really pretty too. Kind of like this one. Should I get something a little darker? Hey!
Hey, bro. You at the fabric store?
Say hi. Yeah, say hi to my vlog.
Ooh! We vlogging?
Vlogging. I'm a YouTuber now.
Yes.
Okay, so do you like this fabric?
Yeah, that one will be fitted, so it's perfect.
Do you want to see the picture of the dress I have to see if it'll even go with this type of fabric?
I saw the picture that you sent me.
I was gonna look to see if they have that, but do you have enough time to make that by today? By tonight?
It's just a straight dress going down.
Oh, so it's not gonna take long? Okay.
Look on that other side.
Okay.
Look. Let me see. Let me see the store, because I don't know where the fabric is.
I'm where it says the velvet, luxe fleece.
What Joann did you go to?
I'm at the Joann's in Columbia.
Oh, they don't have nothing.
Oh, no, they have a lot over here. I'll show you. They have a shit ton. Well, maybe
yeah, but
to
that
me.
fabric that I'm telling you about, the purple fabric, that actual shade, the exact shade, is in Greenbelt.
Oh, shit.
That's why I was saying when you come, you just get to Greenbelt.
Okay.
You can just go get it.
Because I have to do my sister's...
Because I was just there yesterday. They didn't even have that much stuff.
Oh, where, in Columbia? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Mona is out the house? What? Mona's at the house now?
Oh, girl, yes. I got a car.
Fuck yeah. Lit.
Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about.
I finally did.
Moves on moves.
Mm-mm.
Wait, what about this one, Mona?
Let me see.
Do you see the shade?
Yeah, but it don't stretch.
Oh, yeah. So should I just stick with the velvet?
The velvet will look okay, but the kind of fabric that's on the model, it's not velvet.
And you said you saw it at the store, right?
It's at Joanne.
If I give you gas money, would you go pick it up? Or are you busy? Because I was like, yeah, you're probably...
I wish I could go there. That's why I said if you can go there, you can just get it and drop it off.
Yeah. Do you think the one in Greenbelt has the red sparkly fabric?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yep, that's it. Yeah.
Oh.
Just long ago, like 3 or 4 days ago, for my mom's party.
Okay, I'm gonna go do my sister's makeup really quick, see if I can get there, drop everything off, and then run to my appointment.
Okay.
Hey guys, so I've had such a crazy morning. I didn't really get to vlog everything going on because my hands have just been full today. I dropped off a whole bunch of fabric to Mona. She's making my Jessica Rabbit costume, and I just got to Kia's salon and I put her little gift basket together. It's just a bunch of face masks, under eye masks, an exfoliator, and Thai food. To walk in now and get started. Alright guys, so this is what I look like before. Because I haven't gotten my hair dyed in like years, and I'm super excited and I'm super happy that I went ahead, that Kia went ahead and dyed my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm about to get rinsed, guys. Wow, look at it in the light. So cool. The masterpiece coming together by Mona herself. Look at that fabric. It's like water. I told you should be a stylist. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. Let's go to the better lighting. We're working on like one more glove. I'm gonna be so sad if we can't get it done, but this is what the dress looks like. Alright guys, so that is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!